Hey sis, it's the Natural Hair and I'm back with another video. It's Yolissa Hair again. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're working with them again, and there's a reason we're working with them again, because sis is just bomb. At this point, Yolissa Hair hit me up for a photo shoot because girl, this hair is bomb. Anyway, I'm just showing y'all a little bit of the stuff that I got, you know, in the package. I always show y'all that. We are working with a 22-inch 200 intensity body wave lace front wig, okay? It's 13x4 HD lace. And y'all, when I say this wig is so thick and full, it's so thick and full. It's thick like me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. But you already know the hair is bomb, so I had to do another review on this hair. I had other styles in mind today, but I just went ahead and straightened it to the gods, you know what I'm saying? I left it silky straight, even though it's body wave. I love to get body wave instead of straight and do the straight styles, and then I'll get straight hair and do body wave, or like curls in the hair. I don't know why, I just do the opposite. Always take care of your hair under your wigs, ladies. I always oil my scalp and everything. Y'all already know how I do my little ball cap method. I actually made a mistake and had to redo it. Y'all gonna see all of that in here. I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of me plucking too. Sis is gonna be going with the baby hairs today. Y'all know I don't usually wear the baby hairs that much anymore, but I sure enough went with them today. Sure did. And that's pretty much it. You know, I hope y'all enjoy the tutorial. I know y'all like seeing me with black hair. I don't know if y'all peep what I'm watching in the background, but I'm motivating myself, getting prepared to get back to my blonde. I hope y'all been enjoying it. Y'all already know what's finna be going down soon. So stay tuned. Girl, this is actually the part right here where I told y'all I was gonna be messing up. Yeah, my cap slipped all the way to the back. There was no stopping her. She slipped and slid back, okay? So I'm just gonna start plucking it, and then later y'all will see me put on another cap. But I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial, and check the description box for all the links for this hair, the exact wig that I got, and all the goody goodies. And make sure you use those coupon codes for some coins off, sis. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, sis. Show me some love, and I'm gonna catch you in the next hair tutorial, girl. Let's slay together. Bye.